Just like any other device, your Newline Interactive Flat Panel storage needs a good cleaning. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Let's check out the files that are saved on your Newline IFP. If you use the overlay feature to write on top of images or documents, chances are the default is set to automatically take a screenshot when you close the overlay. Have you cleaned out or organized any of those screenshots? Consider this your reminder. Screenshots like this one are stored in the internal storage of your Newline IFP. You can find them by opening the File Viewer. Open the File Viewer. All of those screenshots will be found in the Screenshots folder. Here I can click on the three-dot menu and choose to rename the pictures, share the pictures to my Google Drive if I have it connected, or delete any unnecessary pictures. Then, clean out the recycle bin. It's always good to do some spring cleaning on devices to keep them running at their best. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube. And remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Time to clean out any unnecessary files on your Newline IFP.